So now I will talk about process for UK study visa. There are several steps to apply for a visa. UK student visa applications are processed within 3 weeks of the completed application being lodged. Step number 1. Check if you qualify. You must be able to show that you have a confirmed place at the school, university, or college where you intend to study. It's called a confirmation of acceptance for studies like CAS. Enough money, also known as maintenance or funds, to cover your course fees and living costs in the UK. Now step number 2, get your documents ready. For every document you provide, you must include the original document and a photocopy, a signed copy of your completed visa application form, a valid passport, one passport size color photograph which meets the photo guidelines, evidence of your confirmed place at the university, any previous passports to show your previous travel history. If you send a document that is not in English, it must be accompanied by a full translation that can be verified. Step 3. Apply online. You will need to register and create an account on the official UK visa website. When you have completed your online application form, you will need to print and sign your completed form. You must use the online appointment calendar to book an appointment at the visa application center. When you have completed your online application, you will receive an email message containing your application number. Step 4. Pay your application fee. There are 4 ways to pay your visa application fee. Payment at Standard Chartered Bank. You can pay your fee at some branches of the Standard Chartered Bank. The bank will issue a demand draft in favor of the British High Commission. Demand draft from a nationalized or foreign bank. You can pay your fee by getting a demand draft issued by a nationalized or a foreign bank. Bank charges for this service will vary. The demand draft must be in favor of the British High Commission. Payment at the visa application center. You can pay the visa application fee at the visa application center when you submit your visa application. Pay online. You can pay your visa application fee online using a Visa or MasterCard credit or debit card. Step 5. Visit the visa application center on the appointed date. You must book and attend an appointment at our visa application center to submit your application and facial photograph and fingerprints. Is it?